Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. If you're feeling stressed out, overwhelmed, insecure, angry, depressed, feeling scarcity, limitations, lack, feeling poverty, feeling hungry, tired, lonely, perhaps even joyful, abundant, loving, trusting. Whatsoever you feel, know that it's a-okay. And we're gonna take some deep breaths and see if we can make the pain go away. What do you say? That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position where you can be upright, aware of your posture, extending your spine, dropping the shoulders away from your ears. Enjoying this time of not having to do anything but follow the guidance of my voice and the sounds of the handpan. Relaxing your belly, relaxing your hands and feet. Relaxing your face as you gently let your eyes close, bringing the attention in, noticing how you feel without getting swept away, noticing the insecurities, the anxiety, jealousy, possessiveness, greed, fear, smiling at it. So you take a deep breath in and exhale, letting go. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling old life, old energy, letting it go. Breathing in trust. And exhaling insecurities, feeling negativity, leave the mind, leave the body. Keeping aware of your posture as your full body, every cell breathes in. Every part of your body, every cell breathing out, softening the body, letting go of tensions in the forehead, in the chest, in the lower back, in the legs. Just feeling your body softening, opening. I want you to visualize an opening in your chest. Where new energy can flow into your chest. A loving, warm energy melting away anger, sadness, loneliness. Feeling your heart alive as you breathe in and breathe out. Inhaling new life. Exhale, releasing the past, letting go of past. Breathing in presence. And exhaling future, letting go of the future. Now following my rhythm, we're going to take 3 breaths in, 3 breaths out. Inhaling 3 times. Exhaling 3 times. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Exhale. Breathing in, breathing out, inhaling love, exhaling fears, breathing in trust 3 times, and exhaling, letting go, breathing in deeply. Exhale, releasing. Breathing in peacefulness. Exhaling that inner conflict, letting it go. Breathing in slower and softer. Then exhaling rapid fire. Breathing in slow and soft. Exhaling rapid fire. Breathing in deeply. Holding the breath at the top. Exhaling as much as you can. Dropping your shoulders away from the ears, extending your spine, aware of your posture, aware of your persistence, aware of your patience, aware of awareness itself. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Relaxing your belly, opening your chest, allowing your mind to be totally free. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, Exhale, releasing, letting go. Letting go of any ugliness inside. Coming back to the beauty that's inside. Already here, already inside. Having forgiveness for any mistakes that have been made recently. Shortcomings, failures, mishaps. Letting it go. Nothing to do with it, just simply letting it go. Aware of your posture. Relaxing your hands. Relaxing your legs, your feet. Relaxing your mind. Relaxing your pain. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Feeling a joyfulness starting to bubble up inside. Starting to spread over the body. Melting away tensions in the spine. I want you to visualize energy moving up the spine. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in. And breathing out. Inhaling. And exhale. Full body breathes in. And full body exhale, releasing, softening, letting go. Back into your body, feeling rooted in the present moment. Feeling more love for yourself today, despite mistakes, despite things not always working out. Being able to go with it, go with the flow. Sometimes we are expanding, sometimes it feels like we're being constricted. The two aren't against each other, but complementary. The color for today is silver. The number is 10,000. And the animal is a bullfrog. Taking one more deep breath for now. Holding the breath at the top. Continuing to hold, tensing your body, squeeze down on the fist, squeeze on your jaw, tense everything, tense. And exhale, relax. Feeling your hands relax, belly relaxed. Feeling your jaw, the lips, the forehead relaxed. Becoming aware of your space. Aware of your surroundings, aware of what you're going to do next. I hope that this meditation has brought more light, more soothe energy, instead of all the tensions that be circulating in the mind Remember that you can breathe and always come back to your breath to move the energy. Visualizing the energy relaxing as you breathe is so powerful. I thank you for joining me today across time and space, sending you a big hug, wishing you well on your path, despite challenges, despite obstacles. Know that I'm here if you want to connect and talk about how we can move through the many challenges that we face day to day, the suffering, the pain, the despair, the scarcity, the limitations, and just encourage each other to go beyond. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.